How's it going, everyone? It's Logan back with another little informative video for you. What we got today is just a little inclusive warm-up series. So I'm going to show you a few seated exercises that won't take too long. It'll be about 5 minutes. This will warm up your entire body, and if you're somebody with special needs who doesn't have the best mobility or can't stand for a long time, we're all going to do this seated, so it's a good way to warm up before exercise. Warming up before exercise is important because it helps reduce the risk of injury as well as get the most out of our exercise. So if you're warmed up beforehand, you'll likely feel better going in compared to when you just start right off the bat. So we'll go ahead and get started here. We're going to first start with our narrow feet, wide feet. So we're trying to get our feet all the way out to the side as far as we can. Good. And this is going to warm up our leg muscles a little bit, and it'll even warm up our hip muscles to the side. Good. And we're trying to go back and forth, not doing anything too crazy or too quick, all the way back and forth. And rest. Perfect. We'll go ahead and keep our feet out to the side, and we're going to do our reaches to the ground next. So we're going all the way down towards the ground, seeing if we can touch down there, and then we're reaching all the way high to the sky, and good. So we're going back and forth here. This is a really good warm-up. This is going to loosen up your entire back and the muscles around your hips. In addition to that, it'll warm up your shoulders a little bit because you are reaching as high as you can. Once again. And just follow this one nice and steady back and forth here. All the way down, touch, and all the way up and reach. Perfect. Nice and controlled. Touch and reach. Beautiful. We're going to move right into our trunk twist. This one is a good warm up for our core muscles as well as our lower back. And we're trying to get as much of a twist both directions as possible. If you do have any pain with this, it's okay to stop just short of the pain. We're just, again, trying to warm up our body nice and controlled all the way back and forth. Good. And next we're going to move into our shoulder rolls. Try to get those shoulders a little loose and a little warm once again. Making big circles all the way around with those shoulders, both directions. Good. And we'll slightly move that to the side into our arms. So arms nice and straight to the side, all the way around, big circles. Excuse me, small circles to start. And then we're going to go to slightly bigger circles. Good. And now as big as we can, all the way, and relax. Beautiful. The next one we're going to do is back into a leg movement. We're going to do a march with a kick. So how this is going to work is we're going to pull our knee up, kick out, and down. Up, out, and down. Good. So you're just going to find a nice pace for yourself. We're coming up, out, and down. Back and forth, nice and steady. Up, out, and down. Up, kick, down. Good. This is a really good warm-up for your leg muscles. Get all those guys firing and make everything good to go when you get into your actual workout. Good. And rest. Good. Okay, next we're going to move into a little bit of an ankle warm-up, and that's just going to be our ankle rolls. So we're going to stick one leg out for me, and we're just going to make some nice big circles all the way around with our ankle. Trying to go all the way around. Remember, you're trying to get as big of circles as possible, and we're just getting some nice little blood flow through that ankle. Go ahead and switch sides, stick that other guy out, all the way around, nice big circles, and relax. Very nice. Last warm-up we're going to do is our side bends with an arm overhead. So we're reaching up overhead, holding for just a second, and we're going back and forth here. Nice and controlled, all the way back and forth. Good. This one's really good, warming up the side of our core, nice and easy. In addition to this, we are also warming up our shoulder muscles once again, since we are reaching that arm up and over our head. This is a good total body warm up. Beautiful. And rest. Very nice. So that's just a nice little warm up that you guys can do before you go out for a run. Maybe you want to lift some weights, all in the comfort of a chair, and it'll warm up your entire body. So I appreciate you checking out this video. We'll make sure to check you in next time's video. And remember, I'm here to help you not just survive in your life, but thrive.